Hi and welcome back to another Divine Days dance video. Today we're going to be doing a little bit of a dance to Moana's How Far I'll Go. So this is just a little reminder to do the movements within your own capabilities and adapt and change any movements when necessary. So we'll get started. So once you've found a space, you want to reach one arm out to the side and you're going to reach the other arm up by the side of your head. And when you do this, you want to lean your body the opposite way to pull you to step in front and then step apart again. So you want it to be nice and flowy and gentle to step you in front. And then you're going to do a little turn. So you go step, turn, step. So it'll go big lean, step, turn, step. And now you want these to be nice and strong. So you're going to push out from your shoulder, push, nice and strong, and push. So this bit's in a flow, nice and gentle, step, turn, step, push, push. And then gently, we want to drop our head down, and we're going to round our back over. So we'll take a breath when we do it, it'll be, oh. So we'll push, push, down, and then we want to roll back up, nice and gentle, and our head will be the last thing to come back up. So we'll push, push, down, roll up. So we'll do that from the beginning, nice and gentle, step, turn, step, push, nice and strong, push, drop, roll up, nice and gentle. So we'll give that little bit a go with the music. Starts about 40 seconds in. So it'll be the chorus bit. Back to the water, no matter how so we're gonna reach, turn, push, drop, roll up. Excellent, so we've just rolled up and we'll carry on. We're going to do a circle with our arm, going forwards, and we're going to use that to take our body round to face the side. So it'll go round and you'll step your leg in front to change direction. And then you want to hit a lunge, you want to bend your front leg, and you would like a nice straight leg at the back if possible. If not, have a little bend in it and push the arm in front. So we'll go from down, roll up, circle. You'll push this from your shoulder again, nice and strong, and into a nice lunge. Very good. So from the lunge, we're going to continue the circle round and we'll stand back, feet together again in a neutral position. So we'll go down and up, arm round, pushing out, round, back in, and then you want to step your front leg back and you're going to raise your front arm up into a V, and then you'll do another step and you'll raise the other arm up. So you should end in a nice V like this. So we'll go from the push, together, front leg back and up, second leg stepping back, very good. And now we're going to do a step, turn, step, but this time we're going to go forwards. So we should face the front. So we'll go from the beginning and add it on, and then we'll give it a bit of a go with some music. So you want to reach to the side, step, turn, step, push nice and strong, push nice and strong, gently down, roll up, arm over, pushing out from your shoulder, another arm circle, stepping back, and a turn back to the front. Very good, so we'll try that bit with some music.
Back to the place I know where I cannot go, where I long to be. The alive with the silence to see, it calls me.
Push,
No one knows where it goes. If the wind is my sail on the sea stays behind me.
reach up, step, turn, step.
Telling how far I'll go, I know.
Very good. So carrying on, we've turned to the front. We're going to do a sway. And you'll take one arm out to the side. You'll sway, you'll place the other arm. So just nice and gentle. Sway, sway. We're going to do a big windmill again. Round. So lead in with one arm. The other arm will follow. And we'll crouch in. So we'll go sway, sway, round, leading the arm round, crouch in, and we've almost finished it now, and we're going to do another lunge. So you'll take the front leg out, and if possible you want the back leg to be straight, if not bend it, and you'll push your arms out to the side. So it'll go sway, sway, windmill, in, push, and then to follow on from this, we're going to take the back leg, step it in front, take the other leg, step to the side, and do a nice strong push to finish, and your arms will be in a V. So we'll go from step, 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 turn, step, nice and gentle sway, nice and gentle, a big windmill, bending in, pushing out nice and strong, stepping in front, stepping aside to finish. Very good, so we'll add that bit on from the beginning and then we'll try it all together with some music. So we'll go from the beginning, so lean, step, turn, step, push, push, bend down, roll up, arm over, push to the side, arm back over again, step, 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 turn, step, sway, sway, windmill, bending in, lunging again, pushing out, step, step and finish. Excellent, so that is it all. So we'll try it with some music and I'll shout the moves over for us to follow along at home.
Every trail I track, every path I make, every road leads back to the place I know where I cannot go, where I long to be. The other side to see, it calls me.
Push,
And no one knows
down,
how far it goes. If the wind is my sail on the sea stays behind me,
step,
one day
step,
I'll know.
step, turn, step,
If I go,
sway,
there's just no telling
sway,
how far I'll
windmill,
go. I know
push,
everybody on this island
step,
seems so
to finish.
happy on this island. Everything is by design.
Excellent. So that is all of the routines. We'll try it again and I won't shout over it, and I want us to really think about making the movements nice and soft in areas and then nice and strong in other areas, so we'll have a nice contrast. So we'll try it again from the beginning, one last time. So ready?
See the line with the side to see, it calls me, and no one knows how far it goes. If the wind is my sail on the sea stays behind me, one day I'll know. If I go, there's just no telling how far I'll go. I know everybody on this island seems so happy on the
Well done for that. So I'll leave you there to practice that today, and then please send me your videos and let me know how you got on with it. Thank you very much for joining in, and bye for now.